Yep.
Oh, Santa Claus there. Did he eat his cookies all gone?
He ate one bite out of each cookie.
Oh, is it all gone?
Yeah, the cookies are all gone.
Oh, are there more for him?
Nope, Santa's gone until next year.
Oh, but there's some more cookies out for him, Mom.
It might bring him back.
No, I can see him.
That's silly. Can never see Santa Claus. Hey, Sissy, if you're done playing in the rain, let's come inside so we can shut the door because we're letting the cold in. You're okay, honey. You ready?